Hey guys, I'm packing for Saskatoon, or thus, blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's try that again. I'm packing for the Saskatoon gun show, your gun and collector show, and there's, got 6 crates done here, I got another one here, but I'm struggling. I try not to take stuff I've taken before to several shows. I'd like to have a fresh show each time, but that's not going to happen, I don't think, this time. I have a bit of duplication from the last show and the previous show before that, 2024 and 2025. So, yeah. So anyway, I'm kind of struggling with that. I'm not sure what I'm going to pack in the last 5 crates or so. I'll take my bins per usual. There's always different stuff in them anyway, and people like rummaging through them. And I do have some fresh bins here. Some of this I'll take as well. I got some new vending stuff and that sort of thing. But I had some drama today too. I just ended up going to pick up some stuff at auction, and I ended up 10 minutes down the road, and there was blowing snow, and I started heading south, and lo and behold, it was whiteout conditions, so I couldn't see a thing. So I had to turn around. As I was turning around, there was another vehicle coming through the snow too, so that was kind of a close call. So yeah, but when I got home, my radiator was steaming, so I had some drama there. Now I've got to get it fixed before I go to the show. The show is next week. Planning to leave Wednesday, but I need the van Tuesday to load up. I'm trying to get it fixed, hopefully in the next couple days. It is Wednesday now of the week previous, so here's a piece I'm going to be taking with me. Kind of a neat shell piece from India, but it's legit and old. Got a great graphic of the plane on it there. But anyway, I'm like I said before, I'm struggling to find stuff to take or to decide what to take. You know, you look at it day in, day out, and you think you don't have anything cool. But, you know, even though it is cool to everybody else. But I kind of think, geez, you know, I need some fresh stuff. But that kind of keeps me going, I suppose, in searching for more stuff. But yeah, so anyway, that's what I've kind of got going. I'll show you kind of the final product, I guess, when I get loaded, or a little more packed. I'm going a little heavier on paper this year. I've got a crate of it here, so it can be spread out if I need to. But I may take another bin of it, another bin or maybe 2 bins of paper stuff, and see how I do with the paper stuff. So we'll see. Anyway, stay tuned. There's going to be a bit more here yet. But yeah, I'm struggling. So all the wood crates that are going are already in the van. I kind of do it in stages. I move all the wood crates out to the lobby, and then from the lobby into the van, because it's cold out, so I can't take them directly. Otherwise I lose a lot of heat with the front door open. And I got showcases here. These cases will all go in kind of last on top of all the crates. I'm taking them all this time. And thinking about taking the guitar. The guitar is about a $400 some guitar, so thinking about taking it. But anyway, we'll take a look at what's in the van. As you can see, I've got these all staged and ready to go, and I'll be going outside. Oh, it sounds like we've got some heavy equipment going here out here. Oh, snow clearing equipment, and it is snowing. Hopefully not for long. There's the all the crates. Got them all. We'll stack these up here. and stack them up so they're almost level with there. Probably so they're a little higher, because then the showcases can slant in at the top, so they'll lean forward so they don't go anywhere. And yeah, I've got to leave half the van empty for my buddy, who will put his inventory in here as well. So yeah, so I'll show you when I'm pretty much done. So here's the load, entirely packed, ready for my buddy to come by tomorrow and fill up this side, or this end of it. Took up roughly half, a little less than half actually. Still got room at the top. I could load a little more in. May load that guitar, we'll see. But yeah. So anyway, got it all loaded, strapped down so nothing flies around. And then we're going to be off. Thanks for watching, folks. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and check out our other videos on antiquing, picking, thrifting, etc. Take care, folks.